Hi everyone, Marlene here with Buffalo Check Chicks. What's for supper? Well, tonight I made homemade Italian meatballs. They are delicious. 2 eggs, I have about 2 pounds of ground beef, and I have a package of the Johnsonville hot Italian sausage, my favorite spaghetti sauce, which is Prego. You can make your own if you want. And I have garlic powder, and I have onion powder, little salt and pepper. Very simple ingredients. So I got a large mixing bowl, and I've put all of my meat in there. I've got about a cup of my breadcrumbs, about a half a cup of my Parmesan cheese, my salt, pepper, probably a good tablespoon of onion powder, and a tablespoon of garlic powder. You can use more, you can use less. Add Italian seasoning if you like. You can do anything. So I have mixed all my meat mixture together, and just wash your hands really well and dig on in, get it all mixed up. So now I'm gonna break off pieces to make my meatballs. This is the easy part and the fun part. So I've got a piece of wax paper on my counter, and I'm just gonna, you can see that's about a good fistful. You can make them as large as you like or as small as you like, depending if you're gonna use large submarine style sandwich rolls, or you're gonna make sliders, or whatever you wanna do. So I'm making regular meatball sandwiches. We're having large sandwiches, and so these are good sized meatballs. So just keep rolling them. Now, these meatballs are so good. Make them for your next football game. I'm not kidding you. The guys will love these. Or put them all in your crock pot. Take them to a neighbor's house for a potluck. I have done that, and they're the first thing at the potluck that goes. I'm not kidding you. They are so good. Now, when you roll these up, get them firm, but don't pack them too tight. You don't want them tough. So I just roll them up. And like I say, I don't want them tough, but I don't want them to fall apart when I'm frying them too. Now you can either fry these, or if you're watching your fat content, you can put them in a broiler pan and let all that fat drain off. I prefer to fry them. To me, they taste better fried. But like I say, if you're watching the fat content, go ahead and put them on a broiler pan. Put them in your oven and bake them at, I'd say, 350 for a half hour. So there I've got my meatballs in about a ½ inch of oil, heating that oil up and getting them ready to go. And once they're fried, or while they're frying, I'm going to get my crock pot out. I'm going to put my spaghetti sauce in that and turn it up, because I want my spaghetti sauce to get nice and warm before I add the meatballs to it. So like I say, Prego is our favorite, but you can use any sauce you like. Make your own. So after you get all of that in, go ahead and set it probably at a medium high, and go ahead and get that hot. Okay, so my meatballs, turn them around, get them brown on all sides. Ooh, they're looking good. So after you get them all browned up, go ahead, and I use a slotted spoon, take them out, or you can drain them on paper toweling if you'd like, and go ahead and add them to your spaghetti sauce. Cover it and let them cook through. They're pretty much done, but go ahead and cook them on a medium, probably for another 45 minutes to an hour. Dish it up. That looks good. I toast the buns, and then I put some sauce on it, a couple meatballs. I always cut the meatballs in half because they're hard to eat whole, and a little Parmesan cheese, and there you go. Bon appetit. Bye-bye. I'll talk to you soon.